Hello guys, today we will be playing Subway Surfer.
First we gotta let it load.
With my sister.
And with my sister.
And we're gonna have a competition. You can check out her channel. Turn yours down.
Yeah, I'm turning it down.
Her channel name is actually called Kendall Strand. I'll put it down in the description maybe. I don't know if I remember to.
So let's go.
Can you hold on like a second? Wait for mine to load.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
Ready, set, go.
So we're gonna see who gets the highest score, even though I already know how to play this game.
Yes, we both can. I have it on my Kindle, but I never use it. And we just got our phones yesterday, so we love them.
Okay, it didn't slide.
Oh, and we only get 3 chances.
No, we get 1.
No, we get 2.
1.
We get 2
Kendall, we get
okay,
1.
You get what? Oh, and there's gonna be a pogo stick.
And right now she's just uploading Subway Surfer training because she's gonna show you guys how to play Subway Surfer.
Hooray!
You are correct.
Oh, and every time you do it, it gets faster and faster. So it gets kind of...
Kendall, I think they know that. They're not retarded.
Well, if you don't know how to play, you're just watching this video for nothing. Oh, and this is a mystery box.
I'm gonna own you, so you're gonna get owned.
Oh, are we doing about the coins, or what are we doing?
About the coins first, so then the next part we can do,
Oh, and this is part 1, just to say peeps. Right, Cadence? So just probably at the top of the video theme of Bobby, you'll see part 2.
But I'm gonna own, look, I got a key.
But I'm gonna own Cadence.
With coins, no you're not.
How much do you have?
A lot.
I got to the thousands before.
You only have 1 life.
Yeah, I know. No! I died.
Okay, just wait now.
So we have to wait till she dies. First, I'm gonna open my mystery box. So, I got money, so it's gonna show right up there how much I got. So, 2,276 coins I have. And it says new high score 859,650. Okay, so high score.
Crap, there we go.
New high score is 8,596.
How many coins did you get that round? Oh, dang it, you beat me. I had 333.
I beat her because I got.
Let's do it again.
I got 1. So, guys, comment down below right now and see what you think. So, bye.
Okay, bye, guys.